and welcome dear viewers. This is ERi-TV English News for this hour with me Bersabet Takhle. On your domestic report, the National Confederation of Camel Racing Sports of Eritrea conducted a workshop on November 8 in Asmara to promote the revival and development of camel racing. In his remarks, Ambassador Zemede Takhle emphasized that camel racing is an iconic part of the Eritrean tradition and culture. He highlighted ongoing efforts to integrate camel racing into the country's national sports activities. Ambassador Zemede stressed the importance of harnessing the potential resources available and urged all stakeholders to contribute to the sports development. Mr. Saleh Abubakar, president of the National Confederation of Camel Racing Sports of Eritrea, stated that the workshop is a crucial step in evaluating the federation's activities and the challenges it faces. He noted that the insights gained would help create a strategic plan considering the current status of the sport in the region and globally. Participants called for several measures, including expanding the sport beyond special occasions, utilizing regional resources, establishing guidelines and regulations to transition camel racing from a cultural tradition to a modern competitive sport, developing suitable infrastructure, and conducting public awareness campaigns. In concluding the workshop, Ambassador Zemede Takhle highlighted the workshop's role in shaping the future of camel racing in Eritrea. He also emphasized the importance of ongoing research and exploration to further develop the sport. In other news, the police station in Karora subzone conducted a seminar aimed at raising awareness and reducing crime rates, attended by over 350 students from Imahime Secondary School. Sergeant Ibrahim Umar, commander of the police station, discussed crime prevention strategies and emphasized that one of the core values of the Eritrean people is respecting others' property. He urged the students to uphold this value and remain vigilant. Sergeant Ibrahim highlighted the importance of awareness in preventing crimes and violations. He stressed that crime prevention is a collective responsibility and encouraged students to report any unusual security issues to the police. Participants expressed that the seminar was beneficial for their daily activities and committed to working together to strengthen their relationship with the police. On today's final report, the Eritrean community in Riyadh and its environs celebrated their annual festival on 8 November with patriotic fervor under the theme Heroic Feat Anchored on Cohesive Ranks. The festival, which showcased cultural and artistic performances that highlighted the noble societal values of the Eritrean people, was officially opened by Mr. Yusuf Sayel, head of the PFDJ Organizational Affairs. Ms. Waini Garasgiher, charge d'affaires at the Eritrean Embassy, noted that this year's festival is particularly special as it coincides with the significant progress in strategic development programs and encouraging diplomatic engagements. Mr. Abdurrahman Imam, chairman of the Eritrean community, emphasized that the annual festival goes beyond entertainment, playing a crucial role in passing on societal values to the younger generation and strengthening the attachment of nationals with their homeland. Mr. Yusuf Sayel also delivered a seminar on the current situation in Eritrea, as well as regional and global developments. He urged the nationals to enhance their organizational capacity and active participation in national affairs. The event was enriched by cultural and educational performances by students from the Eritrean International School in Riyadh, an exhibition organized by the National Union of Eritrean Women branch, and football competitions. The viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.